just bursting out as we came out of the fog. That was absolutely beautiful. I hope that you like that. I'm hoping that we're gonna come up on some amazing images right now. And Mother Earth is amazing. It gives us so much beauty and the opportunity to live on this earth. And I think we need to do more to show our appreciation for Mother Earth. So think about, what is it that you can do today? Can you plant a tree? Maybe can you go outside and pick up trash? Can you produce less trash? Can you reuse, recycle some things to make it less demanding on Earth? I know it seems like it could be just a little thing, something that one person can do, but imagine if 8 billion people would do the same one little thing. It would make an extremely huge impact on Earth. Can you grow a little bit of something of your own instead of having it transported? This is Gabriela's Thoughts for the Morning. May your day be joyful. Until I see you next time. Gabriela signing out.